then we wouldn't be designing cities based on cars and tall buildings only. Hello, I'm Danny Chua. I'm the Group Managing Director of the Habitat Group. A sustainable city should be developed without putting a strain on the resources. Meaning, we should protect our waterways, we should always have clean water, consistently regenerate the green lungs, how we use power, and ensure that the greens are not just existing but connected. So the wildlife are not living in islands of greens. And also, how do we include people from the top to the people, the everyday people, their livelihood and their quality of life. If we have this all in mind, then we wouldn't be designing cities based on cars and tall buildings only. The Penang Hill Park is a for-profit entity, the Habitat Penang Hill. We start a non-profit called the Habitat Foundation. And the Habitat Foundation will take money from the for-profit arm and use it to do our own program in sustainability, biodiversity and sustainable tourism, not just Penang, but all over Malaysia. So we are in partnership with the state government. Every month we actually contribute part of our revenue to the state government, which is a rare model because most other places, the government have to fund a project like ours. We built the habitat to what we think is world-class standard in terms of its facility, but also the software. I always say the people that walk you through the park brings human closer to nature very seamlessly and make nature very accessible. And ultimately, we think that's a way for people to love and reconnect with nature instead of putting sustainability in your face all the time. Lango Way Bridge is the longest double ribbon suspension bridge in the world. It was built practically handmade. So no heavy machineries were ever brought in to build it. There's only 3 pylon, which is the pillars. It's actually a suspension bridge. Everywhere else is usually a rope and wood. But we decided that it should be concrete and it should be wide enough so that it's accessible by wheelchair and pram. When we built this bridge, it was slab by slab of concrete, handmade. That's an example of engineering and science and nature living together. On the bridge, you're actually on the canopy level of the trees, 30 meters up. So you will see animals, flora, fauna. It's actually going over a forest reserve, but we have no impact on the forest floor because only the start, at the end and the center is anchored onto the ground. Yeah? So again, very respectful to the environment as well. Everyone always talks about Georgetown. So the history, the heritage is already recognized in Penang, but the nature side was very understated. So the founders, Harry, decided that we should do a stock take of the forest because it's a 130 million euro forest here. The Habitat Penang Hill, together with Penang Hill Corporation and CMAX USM and all the partners got together and said, let's do a bio blitz. Do an expedition of all the different scientists and practitioners into the whole area to stock take on your species of animals, species of trees, plants, and that became the integral part to what Penang Hill today got in terms of UNESCO Biosphere Reserve destination. Penang now has a unique of a World Heritage City right next to a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. So 2 UNESCO, 1 nature, 1 heritage city next to each other. By doing this, effectively we are protecting the forest at the same time. It's now a destination of a biosphere, a worldwide recognition. If you walk on our trail and our bridge, effectively this is the gallery to see from hill to ocean. And this is one of the gems of Penang. And with this, the foundation team and the commercial team can use it as a showcase and a model to spread our brand of sustainability and development. If you ask Danny Chua, I think we should treat climate like COVID as an emergency. We should align under one ministry or one council of multi-ministry chaired by the most important minister. And this should be parked under national development and with a view of national emergency. And I hate to praise them. That's how Singapore is doing it. National park is under national development and not Ministry of Environment or no such thing. It's lined up to development because it is about national development. If not, it's about national emergency. Look at the flood. It's everywhere in Malaysia, right? And when it's not flooding, the extreme heat. And most vulnerable are people who live on the street or people who live close to the coast. So we should look at this as national development and national emergency. Okay? But that's the Danny Chua answer. If in 10-20 years' time, Malaysians treat nature-based activities as everyday life, including being sustainable, being loving nature first, that would translate into small practices adding up to a more sustainable Malaysia. And then only we have a chance. Because if you only depend on a small group of policymakers and champions and heroes, I don't think human has a chance. You know, the climate, the planet will survive. It's whether human can survive in it.